Hey Murph, can you not decide which ball to play with? Trying to get both? Huh? Puppy, you're silly. Murphy. It was trying to escape. It's escaping. Oh my gosh, the other one's escaping. Where's the other one? In your mouth? Murphy wishes he had a bigger mouth. Don't you, puppy? Oh! Extreme close-up. Where is it? Murphy, it's over there. Oh, good boy. Good going around. Good boy. Puppy. Hey, Murph. Murphy. This is way too entertaining.